Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to use parental control in Instagram. In order to use parental control in Instagram, you need to follow these steps. So here what you want to do is to use a parental control on Instagram. You must set up a supervision link between your parents account and a teen's account in a family center. So you want to first launch open your Instagram application. Click on the profile initials from bottom right corner of your screen, and then you want to tap on the menu bar from the top right corner of your screen. Now right on this page, you want to scroll down and look for these family sharing section, or you could just go ahead and click on the sharing button. So here it is, family center, and underneath you have the supervision for teens account. You simply click that out and then go ahead and click on get started, after which you want to go ahead and select the particular account for whom you are actually doing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it for this. So let's see, this is the one. Click on the button, click on invite, after which you need to go ahead and send a link, and the person is going to actually receive a link. All right, then once your teen accepts the link, you could manage control from the family center, which is accessible from the supervision menu. So this is the way it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.